Something about me is different. Can you help me find out why?
Who's that? Who's that? Who's that by the lake? I'm Flora. Come spend today with me. Good morning, sun so bright, golden beams and morning light, splashing in the shiny lake. What adventures will I make?
Do you know, why are flamingos pink? Flamingos turn pink from food like shrimp and algae.
Pink birds dancing all around, pretty feathers all I found. I look down and what do I see? A little gray flamingo me.
Did you know baby flamingos are born grey and white? Just like Flora. They don't start pink right away.
Flora, Flora, flap with me, splashing through the sparkling sea. Every day I laugh and play, learning something new each day. Step by step and wing by wing, life has joyful songs to sing. Come along and you will see what today's surprise will be.
Flamingos rest by standing on just one leg, and they like lakes that are very salty or shallow.
Everyone is pink today. Why am I still soft and gray? I stretch my neck up to the sky, flap my wings and give a try. Stand on one leg, 1, 2, 3. Still the same little me. I wonder, will I ever know when my pretty pink will show?
As Flora wondered why she was grey, an adult flamingo explained what makes them pink. Would you like to learn the secret as well? Let's listen.
Flamingo starts this way, soft and fluffy, silver gray. Tiny shrimp and algae too help bring lovely pink to you. Growing takes a little time. One sweet day your feathers will shine. Who's growing every day? Who's growing every day? Who's learning every day? Who's special just the way she is? Flora! Will she turn pink someday? Yes!
After a fun-filled day of splashing, learning and growing, it's time for Flora and her flamingo family to rest beneath the twinkling stars.
Now the sun is sinking low, painting skies with sunset glow. Walking proudly by my friends, knowing every day begins with little steps that help me grow. More than I could ever know. Today I'm happy being me. Tomorrow holds new things to see. Flora, Flora, flap with glee, happy as a bird can be. Gray today and that's okay. I'll keep growing every day. Dreaming underneath the sky, watching stars twinkle so high. Close my eyes so peacefully. One day pink I'll surely be. Good
Something
night,
new is coming to our magical world. A tiny baby friend is waking up. But who is it? Find out next time. Like and subscribe so you don't miss the surprise.